Progress. Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from RajCloud Technologies. First of all, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF program. So before starting the session, I would just like to take 2 to 3 minutes of your time, and I'll just like give some introduction about all our courses and what we are going to do in this session. So everything I'm going to explain in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Just stay with me. Okay. Yes, let me start with our YouTube channel. So we have a YouTube channel called Raj Cloud Technologies online job-based training. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so just visit our channel once. Look at the videos like what we have uploaded till now. We have 36,200 plus subscribers, and we have uploaded like more than 200 plus videos here. If you just go to the video section, you can find out many videos related to Snowflake, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering. Okay. So Informatica Cloud, and many other videos are also available here. So just visit the channel once. Whatever the technology that you want to switch in, okay, or if you wanted to know more about any of the cloud technologies or any other new technologies, just visit our channel once. Look at the video about that. Okay, so if you feel it beneficiated, then just give us a like, comment on it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I have just shared the channel link also with you over Zoom chat. I have shared you. You can just like subscribe to the channel by using the link. Okay. Yes, and we have the Instagram page as well. So this is our Instagram page, RajCloudTech. Okay, and you can see 3,000 plus followers we have. So in this Instagram page, we are going to share all our success stories and about the job openings as well. Okay, whenever if there is any opening available, you can find out the links, everything in our story, and we'll be posting here like this. You can see. You can see whenever there is any opening, we will be posting like this. Okay, so just follow our page to get the complete updates about the job openings as well on all our technologies, not only about the Snowflake, each and every technology. Okay, yes, and we have a website as well, that is rascloudtech.com. So I just like want to give you some information here. Many people, our previous batch students and our existing students, okay, this is a small update from our end. We have changed the URL from rasinformatica.com to RajCloudTech.com. You can see here now the URL is RajCloudTech.com. Okay, so this is the URL right now. So if you just see here, this is our home page. Just scroll down. You will be able to see what are the trainings that we can offer here, that we are offering right now. So generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS, Azure, Snowflake, Informatica Cloud, AIML, cyber security, Power BI, AWS and DevOps, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, GCP, Python full stack development, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Salesforce. Very soon we are starting with SAP CPI BTP as well, and the data science also. These two courses we are going to launch in another 3 to 4 days. Okay, to get all our updates, keep following rascloudtech.com so that you'll get the complete updates as well. Apart from these things, like we have many interview questions are also available here. If you see here, we have Snowflake interview questions also. Okay, even if you have not paid the course fee also, you can get some assistance, some benefits from our training here, from our website here. Okay, if you just go to the interview questions, you can see the Power Center interview questions, Snowflake, AWS, Oracle, ISS, IDMC, CAI, and the materials as well. Okay, many materials are also available here. So just visit our website once if you like any of our content. Okay, so keep following the website, keep seeing the blogs and everything, so that you'll get the latest information from our website as well. And let me just like take you to the Snowflake training right now. So in the courses section, you can select a Snowflake training. Okay, once you select Snowflake training, you will be in the complete Snowflake page where you can get the complete information about Snowflake trainings. The new batch is starting from 2nd of December, that is from today. Okay, and you can see here what are the technologies that we are going to cover, unique features of this course, and the job opportunities and everything. What are the upcoming job roles, and about the course curriculum. Okay, and all the things you can see here. If we are a group of people, you can get the group discounts as well. So everything we mentioned about here, and about your instructor as well. She's having 11 plus years of experience here. Okay. Yes. So before handovering the session to Sai Sri Garu, I just like want to make you 3 points here. The first one is there is a huge update on the job openings. So just stay connected till end of the session to know more about it. And we have some special offer is also available. The people who is going to enroll today. Okay. And apart from these two things, we have a new courses that we are going to launch very soon. So I'm going to help you with the course names as well and the course curriculums and the course fee, everything we are going to just like inform you about. I will inform you about all these things at the end of the session. Just to stay connected, okay, so that like we can have a complete discussion on this. And today in today's session, we are going to have some introduction about the Snowflake as well and about the account creation of the Snowflake too. Both the things we are going to know in this today's class. Before handovering the session, I would just like request everyone to drop your name and WhatsApp number here in the chat so that like we can share you the today's session recording with you. And today we are going to have this account creation as well. So stay connected till end of the session so that you'll get the complete information as well. Okay, so just drop your name and WhatsApp number to get today's session recording as well. Okay, I'm sharing this format in the Zoom chat. Just drop me your name and WhatsApp number. I'll just give you 1 minute of time. Okay, so within 1 minute, like we'll start the technical part as well. Okay, so just drop your name and WhatsApp number. If you are from a different country, please drop the WhatsApp number with country code so that like we can get the complete information from your end. Yeah, thank you, Vivek. If you are from a different country, please drop the WhatsApp number with country code. Yeah, thank you all. Thank for sharing your contacts. Sai Sugar, over to you, please.
Hi everyone, good evening. Let me share my screen. So already few people joined in the previous demo, I hope so. But still some new people joined in this demo, right? So I will go bit scratch also. So from scratch to and I will explain you account creation, all those things I will cover for the day. Okay. So guys, coming to my introduction. I have overall 11 years of experience in training also from long before Snowflake. Also, I worked with the different technologies training. So along with that, Snowflake, I'm working almost 6+ years of training field. I have experience, and almost lockdown starting time onwards, I'm working with pure Snowflake trainings only. So I started my training journey also with pure Snowflake. Later on, according to the requirements, whatever I am facing in my real time combination of pipelines or combination of technologies. All this I explored in the training. So that's the reason my training will be the like right now in the market. The best tech combination is Snowflake with the DBT. Along with that, I am including Azure and AWS also. So my training completely on Snowflake and DBT. Coming to AWS and Azure, I'm not going to train you as a Azure developer or AWS developer, but whatever the combinations or pipelines we are connecting with the cloud providers with Snowflake. Only loading part I'm going to cover in the Azure and Snowflake. Okay. So these two are for loading purpose only. We're going to cover the loading, how to what are the pipelines, how to establish the connection between cloud providers and Snowflake, how to load the data. That all I am going to cover. So in Azure mainly I'm going with the combination of ADF because right now it's a trend in the market. I also worked with a few projects with this combination, which is very demand in the market. That's the reason this is also I'm going to cover. So almost real-time pipeline, how the real-time pipelines are available in the market, in the projects, real-time projects, same thing I'm going to explain in the training also. So my training will be almost near to the real time. Only data will be sample data sets I will add because everyone knows that real time data sets we cannot use, right? That's the reason I'm focusing on sample data sets. Apart from that, remaining concepts wise or technical part or pipelines, a combination of project flow, all I will go with the near to real time projects only. Okay, nothing is going with my flow. Whatever I explored in the project that I'm going to implement in your trainings also. So Snowflake, I am completely covering end to end. Maybe it is a loading part, it may be transformations. This all I'm going to cover. Transformations means not only just SQL queries, mainly concepts, okay? Snowflake concepts, whatever the development related, all the concepts. I cannot give list, you have already curriculum with you. So all the concepts I'm going to cover, okay? And DBT, just I'm giving dev topics. Okay, admin also I will cover guys, but not completely all the topics. Few admin topics. As a developer, how much knowledge is required for you to explore or to go with your project, to work in the project. That all few admin topics I'm going to cover. Okay, few admin topics I'm going to cover. In DBT, all the dev topics, or actually in DBT we have dev related only, development related only for transformation purpose. So this all I'm going to cover. Okay. So you no need to go anywhere. You can completely follow my classes because end to end what is required for your interview and what is required, what knowledge is required to come to work in the project. Everything I'm covering. Okay. Project I'm covering, resume preparation I'm covering, tips for interviews, tips for preparation. Everything I'm covering is your part is only learning. You have to keep your spend time for learning. That's the only thing what you have to do. Okay. Roughly I give idea what I'm going to do. So every topic with example, with execution I'm going to explain you. Any topic, no theoretical topics. Maximum Snowflake architecture is one theory topic, and one or two topics are there theoretically. Architecture is only the main theory topic. Remaining all practically I'm going to explore you. DBT is completely practical, AWS is completely practical, Azure loading also completely practical. In Snowflake, one or two topics, maximum one topic only. Everywhere I will execute the queries, I will execute the concepts. Okay, everything practically I'm going to cover. So you are from non-IT background, you are from technical background, but different technologies. You are from database background. This all you have career gap. This all combination people also can follow my class. No doubt in that. I can give assurance on that because I am going technically with a practical example, practical execution. So that is the reason, and I will explain you what topic is important for interviews, what topic is important for project wise. Okay, that all information also I will give in the course in the class itself. On regular basis, I will give update on each topic. Okay, so my classes are practical classes, guys, no theoretical classes. Okay. So that's the reason any background it may be, you are coming from any background, you can learn easily Snowflake. You can easily learn the Snowflake, no doubt in that. I can give evidence for that. Okay. So coming to part SQL, which language is important for Snowflake? Main questions everyone will ask you. Which language I should be good? What is the prerequisites? All this. So language here, Python, Java, JavaScript, this all we don't not required. I don't execute at least one single query or single code line also related to this languages. We have to work completely on SQL. That SQL also intermediate SQL I am expecting from you. Suppose if you don't know SQL, you are zero level in SQL right now. We are giving time also, we are giving classes for you. Admin team will help you. Karthik will help you after my class. That classes, if you learn properly, and I will give some more tips how to improve your SQL queries preparation also. If you follow that, that is enough. That is more than enough. Why you have to focus on SQL mainly means for interviews, out of minimum two SQL queries or three SQL queries, that much. Two or three questions they will ask you in interview. For that purpose only, I am asking you to learn SQL. In real time, you will manage because you have Google, ChatGPT, so many sources are there. Everyone knows this is a fact. Everyone know. But in interviews, we don't have all the supports, right? So for interview purpose, if you get intermediate knowledge on SQL, it is will be easy to crack the interviews, mainly for interview purpose. Apart from SQL, remaining all anyway, I'll give clarity, I'll give clear details. SQL is a language. How I am talking Telugu, English like that. SQL is a language. Nobody can spoon feed you, or nobody can make you to complete. I mean, completely nobody can give training on the language. You have to improve yourself by practicing. So first complete all your SQL classes what we are providing. Later on in the next class, I will give some more tips how to improve your for SQL knowledge also. Okay, that's the only place where you have to do hard work by your own interest. Remaining all I will take care. SQL you have to keep. If I explain also, you have to keep your pen to write the queries. Okay, that's a completely your own responsibility. Remaining all I will take the responsibility. And this all I will do. That's the reason. No pre-request. You have zero background on data warehouse concepts, database concepts, non-IT, IT, no job knowledge, anything, any background, I am going to handle your profile. No need to worry. Okay. If you want, you can after my class, you can go and you can review my. You can go through our website. You can review. You can check all my reviews also, which who students gave to my Snowflake classes. That is the only proof with the live proof I can show you. So I will trust me. I will guide you properly. You should be on, I mean, properly you have to learn with interest. That's the only pre-request. Learning should be there from your side. Okay, so common questions I'm explaining you here. Yeah, that's all common questions. After my class, if you have any questions, you can. Packages, project explanation, sample resumes, so the all I will take care, guys. Nothing you have to do from your side. We will guide you. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Going with the technical stuff, technical if we move forward, actually, before going to our Snowflake account creation, what is Snowflake exactly? So many people who join newly, they don't know what is Snowflake. They heard about Snowflake, that's it. What is Snowflake exactly? Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse. Okay, Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse completely. So, what is the purpose of this Snowflake? Okay, why we want to use Snowflake? Yes, why we want to use means already not only Snowflake, many old technologies also existed in the market with the data warehouse concepts. Okay, data warehouse means you don't need to learn all those concepts. Snowflake have its own data warehouse concept. We have to learn that only. But generally, old technology is already available in the market with data warehouse concepts. Those technologies, those old technologies or traditional technologies are replaced by Snowflake. Now, clients are expecting cloud technologies. That is the reason we are going with the Snowflake. Okay, so is it good? It will give a long-term career means 100% because you go with any business, you go with the normal shop also. For example, olden days we have shops, right? With the people review, hey, their quality is good, their items are good. He is bringing new options to us. Like this, mouth publicity used to be there. So according to that publicity basis, people used to visit the shop. They used to purchase. Second thing, a second option based on the customers' interest, shop people used to increase the products, introducing the new products like that they used to do. So two ways things publicity is important. Now we are came into the cloud world. Everything in mobiles only. No personal shoppings. We are not doing. On we are not going directly to shops. Almost online only. So by online reviews, we are visiting some shops like that. We are doing different shopping. Not only shopping, it may be hospital, it may be investment purpose, it may be anything, any combination of requirements in our life. Everything with cloud based data only we are doing. So to that for that purpose, completely companies are depending on analytics. The analytics means what customers expecting, what we are giving, what is the right now requirements in the market. For example, you go to Flipkart and search for one product today night. Tomorrow onwards in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever you go to social media, it may be Twitter, anywhere, you will get the product related advertisements. How this much quickly your phone is updated? Search something in Google, search about some product in Google. Immediately all the social media will get with that product related advertisements. Within short time this is happening. Search in your if you are connecting with the Wi-Fi, in TV also you can search something, automatically your mobile will get the same advertisement product related. So if you observe, even I saw something in my mobile, my internet, my beside people also will get same information. So this all how it is happening. Backend analytics is working a lot and lot and lot. So based on the customer search only, they're giving lot of advertisements to your mobiles, right? So they are reaching to the right people. Okay, 18 years men what they want. Same way 40 years men what they want. That all decided by his mindset. Every 18 years person also can use iPhone Pro 13 or 14, whatever it is, the recent one. 40 years person also will use I mean iPhone Pro 13 or 14, whatever right now. I don't know about this phone much. But what is the new version released now? So 18 years boy will use, men also 18 years, 40 years men will use. Both mindsets are same, but not all the people, few people. So here age is not important. What product they are searching, what is their mindset, what is the thought process, that all we will keep in our mobiles. First of all, if we heard about product, immediately we'll search in the mobile. That is the way how the people are coming to advertise to our mobiles to us. Okay, so here if you observe, lot of analytics is working background. And we know that actually we also experiencing, we have to observe that. So because of this analytics only, business is running. They are keeping more offers, more Black Friday, they are saying, New Year, they are saying, year-ending sales. This all how they are bringing because of analytics, only analytics. So that analytics is important for every business. Previously, that used to happen in the traditional, now they came with the cloud. Simple. That's the only difference, guys. That analytics jobs, that's the reason I am giving clarity. I mean, that's the reason I'm giving very clear information. Our Snowflake, if you learn the Snowflake, till 10 years, you no need to turn your head back for new transformation of technology. That means you no need to change your technology. Till 10 years, I can give guarantee. After 10 years also, I can give. After 10 years, we cannot predict the future, right? So 10 years, you no need to turn back. If any new technology came in the market also, after 10 years, it will take 2 to 3 years to migrate into that technology. So long-term future I can show in the Snowflake technology. Combination will change. Snowflake with DBT or pure Snowflake project, Snowflake with AWS, Snowflake with ADF. Combinations will change in project to project, but Snowflake technology will be there only. Every project, if you observe, even AWS project, I mean Amazon company also working with AWS. Sorry, Amazon company also using Snowflake technology. So like that, many companies for analytics purpose, they are working with a cloud data warehouse that is Snowflake. Then you can ask me, Sai Sri, you are giving this much hype to Snowflake, but Snowflake is not only the technology in the market. We have lot of technologies in the market with the cloud. Yes, I will agree. Yes, we have. We have Redshift, we have Teradata, we have like this different BigQuery we have. I'll agree. Okay, but Databricks I'm not bringing here. Databricks is a platform. Databricks is a different actual. Databricks is not purely data warehouse concept. Okay, I'm talking about data warehouse concepts on technologies only. Redshift, Teradata, or Snowflake like BigQuery like this. Yes, it is there, but architecture designing is different. Cost is different. Compute performance is different. Handling different types of data sets. I mean, semi-structure, structure like this. So workloads, management, maintenance of the account, security. So like this, so many differences we have comparing to other technologies and Snowflake. Okay. So this is also you no need to believe. Okay. This is also let us keep aside. Companies already working with Redshift and then migrating to Snowflake without having proper analysis, proper R&D. Why client will choose this option? Why they will migrate from Redshift to Snowflake? Already Redshift is a cloud technology. They can stay there itself, right? Why we are seeing this combination of migrations in market? Because we are the employees. We are just employees. We'll get salary. We will work on the technology. We are just one part only. But client is paying salaries to us, paying the amount to do the technologies. Still, client is choosing Snowflake. He done 100% R&D. Yes, this technology is benefit or not, suitable to his product project or not. At all, he is checking. So, how much R&D he will do? So choosing one technology from client side is not a small thing. It's a really important. That is the first business step he is going to take. Okay, hiring is the next step. Migrating to Snowflake means lot of R&D backend they will do. They will check performance. They will check storage combination, compute combination, cost combination, data structures, data. I mean semi-structure like that. Different types of data sets. Like this, lot of R&D after only clients are coming. So you no need to believe my words. You can believe the companies, right? That's the reason more opportunities you are seeing in the market. Not only that, if you generally Snowflake, lot of benefits are there. Not only that, cost benefit, maintenance also is there. Very less admin team. And Snowflake is completely going with the editions, not versions. Editions means with one edition, they will go and any addition, any extra topics or new combination changes happen, automatically edition will be updated. You no need to upgrade anything. You no need to follow versions. No need to version changes. All this setup you no need to change. Snowflake itself, if any change happen, automatically it will add into the account. So like that, four different editions we have. Standard edition, which is basic. After, apart from that, enterprise edition, business critical edition. These two are advanced edition. This all okay. Standard edition is a very basic feature. Some advanced concepts are not there. That is the reason maximum projects will choose enterprise edition. Like e-commerce kind of large projects will go with the enterprise edition. If it is like a sensitive data, then they will choose business critical because all the features available in enterprise, whatever the feature is there, everything is available. But additionally, but extra security it is providing. This edition also will provide security, but extra security. So business critical help for sensitive data. No, I don't want all this combination. I want my own private setup. Means then we will go with the VPS. VPS very rare projects. Enterprise and business critical are the most trending projects right now. Editions right now in the market. Okay. So guys, like this, we have a lot of differences. That is the reason companies are choosing. Okay, comparing to the traditional, comparing to the existing technologies, cloud technologies, Snowflake is performing very well. That is the reason it is going with the market is running back of the Snowflake. Okay, then Sai Sri, Snowflake is working a good, right? Then why you are using DBT? DBT still requires Snowflake is already performing best way. Then why? Actually, I'll agree. Snowflake can do all the works. Whatever in DBT I'm achieving, all everything I can do in Snowflake. No doubt in that. But advanced, if I say advanced, additionally you want to do and something additional on top of Snowflake, you want to do extra thing means it's a DBT because DBT don't have storage layer. DBT don't have any compute layer means execution of the queries capacity is not there. Storage capacity also not there, but maintenance of the large project, it is very easy with the Snowflake with the DBT combination because in DBT we will connect Snowflake, we will fetch the data everything through Snowflake only. The transformation will be applied and written back loaded to the Snowflake. So like this guys, Snowflake will be the source. In middle DBT will be there. Again we will load back to Snowflake. So like this. So transformations purpose, maintenance purpose, Git repository, code maintenance, this all will advance comparing to Snowflake, DBT is more advanced for the transformation. Mainly project maintenance will be easy. That is the reason DBT is becoming very famous with this combination. Okay, that's the only. Without Snowflake, we cannot go DBT because DBT don't have source system, storage layer, compute layer. This is Snowflake should have at the back end. On top of the DBT, we will perform transformation. The output again will load back to Snowflake. So finally, it's a dependency on the Snowflake only. Pure DBT, we cannot run any project. It's advanced level. Okay, advanced level. So all the projects you cannot expect DBT combination, which is the huge project. That projects only they will go with the DBT, or else still in the market we have pure Snowflake projects only. Okay. Coming to AWS and Azure, this is a loading part, guys. Whatever some projects will go with AWS means source system. So source systems, whatever databases, web applications, third-party tool, whatever it may be, the data will push that source system people will push into the AWS. From AWS to we will be the owners actually. From AWS to end till handling the data to Tableau people or Power BI any reporting team, we will be the responsibility from here. So you can use AWS. Some projects they will go with the Azure combination. So only loading we will perform. We won't perform anything in these two layers. Loading the data from AWS to Snowflake. That's the only step we will take care. Okay. This all we will do in our Snowflake projects. Okay. I'll give one small break and yeah, you can ask any questions in this flow. I will allow you to unmute. Just ask. Yeah.
Is
I give rough. Yeah, tell me.
is Snowflake same as Databricks used for transformation? Is it a transforming tool?
Databricks is the platform where we can use Spark technology for transformations. Clear? Spark Hive, this big data technology.
Right.
Okay. That is a purely built by the Python platform, Python basis. But Snowflake basis SQL, Snowflake itself have its own transformation techniques. You don't want to depend on any other technologies again. Both are different. Okay. If you say Spark, Snowflake is also Spark is one kind. For example, I'm saying if you know Spark, you can understand big data technology. How Informatica, Spark, like these two technologies are there. Like the Snowflake also one technology, but Databricks is a platform. Both are different.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Mani, you can ask the question.
Yeah, you have mentioned we need intermediate SQL, right? So what intermediate SQL you are asking? Like until we know about like how joins and everything is sufficient, or like we need to build CTs or views and those things.
City is also intermediate concepts only. Common table expression is small concept, na? Yeah,
No,
joins
yeah,
is
like CT, stored procedures, and those all things we need to know. Or...
Store procedure, I will take care. You don't need to keep your hands. That's the reason. Functions will be there. List aggregation, string aggregations, data underscore trunk functions, join,
Return
CTs.
functions.
Windowing functions also. Some people don't know about windowing functions. That one class I'm covering. When I cover Snowflake functions, I'll cover windowing functions. Like these topics I'm expecting from you.
Thank you, understand.
Yeah. They won't give 10 to 20 lines related SQL query. Small queries only they will, small questions only will be there, but logic you have to apply properly. For example, I'm saying like this. Means output, they will expect output. So what query you have to apply to get this? Got the question? Like this, some questions like this.
Sure.
For example, okay.
And my final one is it's completely based on SQL, right? Snowflake, as you mentioned.
Completely. People will confuse you with the Snowpark is there, all this. Believe me, trust me. Trust me.
Snowspark and something is there.
Yeah. Snowpark actually, ML and AI also is there in Snowflake. Okay, that they are the Snowflake background software team. Snowflake company. I'm saying they started going with AI and ML platform also. They're trying to keep everyone in one place, data engineer plus data science. That also they are trying, but still it's not completed 100%, still in progress. But as a data engineer people, you'll work completely with the SQL only. Sorry, SQL not SQL language only. SQL
Okay.
language. Again,
Sure.
some people will ask me, Snow SQL and normal SQL, any difference is there? Snow SQL is a topic, concept, bulk loading concept. Snow SQL is not language. Snowflake will support SQL language, normal SQL only for MySQL Server, Oracle, any other data warehouse techniques, topic, I mean, technologies, how you use the SQL, normal SQL only it will support. 95% all the queries will be normal queries only. 5% one or two maybe won't support in Snowflake. That's it. 5%.
So
Okay.
are we
Ah,
covering stages, fail safe,
ev-
time
uh,
table?
the all if you don't mind, if I give that list, our class won't be, I mean, we'll waste our time.
Mhm.
Go to my curriculum, I mean, this one, go to my website, you'll see all the topics what I am covering. uh,
Okay.
if I go with the roughly time travel, stages, loading, web loading, bulk loading, snow pipe, okay, policies, row access policy, masking policy, task, streams, procedures, this all I'm covering. JSON, XML. Roughly I went, but you can go through the website, okay? For
Yeah.
topics. But
Thank you. Yeah.
that all I'm covering. Yeah, Mani. One more question. Tell me.
Yeah. One more thing. You just is the SQL is completely based on RDBMS, or we are using non-relational database systems also in
PLS,
Snowflake?
PLSQL, no SQL, that SQL is not required.
Mm.
Completely SQL. Simple.
Okay. Only RDBMS.
Ah, yes.
Sure. Thank
Vijay,
you.
your question.
Yeah, and like you just explained about that Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse. In down, you mentioned like source is AWS, and you mentioned like Snowflake deep DBT. Can you explain again that one? So from
MySQL, web
okay,
application,
no, sorry for
etc.
no, no, that's fine. I'm
Ah,
just having a doubt. From AWS to you're loading the data through the Snowflake through Snowflake
ah,
technique.
ah.
After that, you are making a transformation
Yes.
like ELT.
Ah.
Then after you are going to again Snowflake.
Same account. Yeah, same account, different schemas.
Different
Yes.
scheme. Why? Because we are using same within the same account. Why we are using the DBT?
DBT, some advanced concepts is there. For example, models is there,
Okay.
snapshots is there. Okay, these concepts are different. Using this snapshot. Okay, using these concepts related techniques, we will create the query. That concepts will be applied on the top of the data, and the output will be generated. That will load back to Snowflake in different schemas.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
This
Thank you.
table, raw table will be different. Transformation tables will be different.
Okay, like within the same account only, but different scheme.
Ah, schemas. Even database also will be same, and schemas will be
Oh,
different.
okay. Everything will be same. Only database snake schema will change.
Ah, schema names will be changed.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone, any question? I mean, sorry.
Hi, Sai Sri. So,
Hi.
so I have a 10 years experience as a database developer. So it is good
It is
for me to move into Snowflake means to boost the profile.
100%. If you want to upgrade yourself to development, I mean, developer technology, like this technologies development side, you already have some database background, right? For you, it will be easy only. Means your experience won't helpful 100% here. But as a developer or whatever database you are using, you're already into development, communicate. I mean, projects, the way of communication, how to deal with the technical team. All this will be easy for you, right? Just you are changing technology. Oracle to Snowflake, already one of my students changed it. He's working from past 1 year. So 100% your profile is not matters there. Easily you can change it.
Okay.
Non-IT persons only getting the job. Already you're IT person. You don't need to think. That is also database. SQL will be good, right? Nothing. Your
Yes,
profile
yes.
is easy. Easy actually. You don't need to think also.
Okay, but in the Naukri, whatever we have seen, so they are asking Python, ADF, all these things also they are asking
Huh.
along with the Snowflake to DBT.
ADF, ADF I am going to cover anyway. whatever they're asking, I mean, don't take in the wrong direction, guys. Generally, my experience only, I'm keeping everything here. Whatever the JDs they are giving is irrelevant to our requirements. Okay, that some places one class I observed that generally when I'm explaining Naukri related stuff, they mention don't keyword. Everyone don't want pipe. I mean don't. They actually they want to mention do. They mention don't actually. There's a blender completely all the lines. So this is one example. JDs are not giving proper information about the requirement. Okay, leave about the JDs. Wherever you see Snowflake developer, Snowflake data engineer, cloud in data engineer in the Snowflake skill they're expecting. Like this, if you see, you can apply for the jobs. If they ask about Python, Spark, Databricks, no need to worry. Ignore about that because these JDs are prepared by HRs. They don't have technical knowledge and they're roughly copy pasting from different sites. That is the reason. Ignore it. You'll get calls. Compulsory, I'm saying you'll get calls. Okay, no need to worry on the JD's part. I done all the combination of trials and I succeed and I'm saying to you. Previously, I'm also the person who used to check the JDs and apply the job. But from lockdown onwards, I'm observing JDs and requirement interviews both are different. So no need to worry about the JDs part.
Okay.
Because if you observe, they are asking for Snowflake position developer as in normal job post is Snowflake developer. In JDs, they are mentioning Databricks and Spark, for example. There is no relationship between these two. In this world, in completely you check in any countries related project also. If you use Snowflake, they won't use Databricks. If they use Databricks, they won't use Snowflake. Why client will pay amount for two technologies, which is doing same transformation? Blender mistakes in JDs. That's a simple example. Okay.
So right now means that I have a 10 years experience. So they are asking more means because right now means Snowflake DBT everyone
Mm.
knows like that means 3 4 years experience. So as I have a 10 years experience, so we need to learn something new or something extra like that.
Extra is not there. If it is there, I will learn actually. Okay, I'll always follow the market trend first of all. Okay, there is no
Okay.
extra important combination now. This is the only right now combination. I already went with all the common normal combinations, everything across. Right now, this is the trend in the market. You have to follow this much. You have 10 years experience. Your point is, I have 10 years experience. A company will expect a lot from me. That is general doubt from everyone. Not only you, all yours kind of 10 years, 9 years, 7 years, people will have this doubt. You have 10 years experience not on Snowflake. 10 years before Snowflake is not there also. How they will expect you from your 10 years experience on Snowflake? So your experience will be shared between 6 years, 6.5, 7 years like that. We will showcase in your old technologies. 3.5 only we will showcase in Snowflake. Till Sai Sri, I will get the calls means 100% you will get the call. I already done all for my old students. They are working also. They got jobs also. So with that only I'm saying
Okay.
clearly. You don't need to worry. Okay.
Okay, and you are
Come.
covering ADF also means completely
Ah,
Azure Data Factory. Okay.
no, no. I won't. I'm not preparing you as a ADF developer. What is required for Snowflake with ADF to Snowflake combination? That important point I will cover because if you completely learn ADF, ADF is also transformation technology. Then what? Why we will use two transformations in one project? Question, right? So people will
Okay.
deviate to other direction. That is the reason in real time, whatever I am doing in ADF combination, that pipelines, that flow I will explain. Just you have to follow my flow. That's it. You don't need to do any extra R&D.
Means means for AWS you are means you are teaching about that S3 bucket I think.
This is one pipeline and this is
Mm.
another pipeline. Two combinations
Okay.
actually.
Okay. And
Two,
you are
I will
covering
cover
both.
everything. I will cover
Okay.
both. Because how much limited subject we have to learn also important. If you go to the interviews and you say, I work in my project, I worked with ADF transformations, I used Snowflake, I used DBT means, people will easily understand you are not real candidate. Because in Snowflake real-time projects, Snowflake and DBT are using means transformations completely will work with DBT only. Inside Snowflake, we won't do transformations. So ADF Snowflake means Snowflake inside we will do transformation. So we should have clarity what we will perform exactly in real time. That clarity I will provide to you while giving the training. Okay, you have to follow me. Simple.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Are
Yeah,
we
Vijay.
also going to cover
Uh,
Snowflake transformation?
SQL only transformation means how much I covered also. Business requirement logics only completely.
Okay.
In interview, nobody will ask you SQL transformation because if you go to Spark, for example, I'm saying yes, data developer previously, so I have that knowledge much. Generally, I'm saying if you go to Spark, there we have transformations, actions, concepts actually. Okay, we have separate topics. Like that, Snowflake also have their own transformation. I mean, topics are there, not transformation. Some technical data warehouse concepts is there, but normal transformation is SQL. In interview, nobody will ask you transformation because that is not standard topics. SQL is not standard, right? Project to project in the sprint, what requirement comes, I'll write according to SQL query. So no interview questions on that specifically. Nobody will ask you also like that
So
because
what is that DBT does apart from like
transformation
what?
or
That's
transformations
what.
only. Uh,
What Snowflake is not able to perform, how DBT is able to achieve it?
Snowflake have all the capacity what DBT is doing actually, but it's a bit Git repository is missing. Okay, Git is missing here. DBT, whatever we are achieving in Snowflake, everything we can achieve in DBT, and we can promote, we can deploy the code from dev to UAT, UAT to prod. The deployment process, reusability of the code, that advanced techniques are there in DBT.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
One time you write the code, multiple layers you will deploy. So, and one time you write the code, that same output will be reusable for many other queries. I mean, files, programs like that. So, reusability and deployment. This is the advanced techniques. I can say difference between the two. But what work you are doing there, here you can do vice versa is possible.
So
When you are
work-wise, both
handling,
does the same.
yeah, any SQL query, finally at the back end DBT, whatever query is running, it will run on a Snowflake account only. I'll show you
Okay.
that all magic. Yeah, Snowflake is compulsory. That Snowflake only will provide data, Snowflake only will provide computer resources, Snowflake only will execute the queries actually. But the technique is designed in the DBT, right? That is useful for us. And
But
reusability, very big project. One time you write the logic, reusability will be there. The techniques we can use.
okay, sir.
Okay.
One
Yeah.
more small question. Like I have opened my Snowflake account. I could
Mm,
see there is a create worksheet for SQL
mm.
as well as Python as well. How do we use
Ah,
Python here?
Python we won't use. That is a undergoing process. In our Snowflake developer position, we won't use any Python only.
Like in
If you
brief,
if
where
you
do we
want,
use it actually?
oh sorry,
In
that is
brief, like where do we use?
we won't use actually as a Snowflake developer. I won't use Python's worksheets only. But why they added that worksheets means you observe we have ML and AI technologies also. Snowpark also they added. For them, that worksheets will be useful, not for us.
Okay.
I'll show you once I create. Let me create the account. I'll talk more on this. Guys, this is the free trial account. 120 days, so many people are saying. That is one time I used in my entire training. After that, it's disabled. They're not enabled again, okay? Now that is not working properly. So you can go with 30 days only. 30 days trial will be helpful for you. 400 credits will be used. Means with 30 days after your account will be expired, or else 400 credits you used within 30 days also your account will be expired. Anything if it happen, it will be expired. Again, you have to create same account with the same email ID, same username, password also you can use, no problem. Okay. So Snowflake training mail ID is compulsory because it will activate activation link we will receive. That's the reason. So we have to give our mail ID. After that, sign up. I can give other. So this very easy. These steps only you have to follow. Okay. Click on continue. Now the things will be started. Here, Snowflake, any company you can give, a shortcut TCS, any title you can give. No problem. Here additions will come into the picture. In other technologies, versions we will see now. Here no versions option only. Additions we will have. Standard, enterprise, business. Client will decide. This is not in our hand. In real time, you won't create any Snowflake account. You will go and you'll join as a user. That also I will show you how what is users, what is roles. I will show you everything. But today I cannot you will join, okay, one account for a group of the people. So your client will decide based on his project which addition is required for him, okay. Same, both are same only. Additional data protection for sensitive banking related data, additional security it is providing. That is the reason cost also bit will increase in the business critical, or else topics wise, concepts wise, both are same, only data protection. Then I say there is no data protection in these two editions is wrong. Data protection is available in every edition. Extra protection is added here. Okay. So I am choosing enterprise. I don't have much sensitive data, so I can go with the enterprise. And what is this? What exactly this? This is very, this Snowflake wide became between with a unique technology means if you go with Redshift AWS combination, you cannot change into any other cloud provider. If you go with big data, BigQuery, it's a GCP. Like this specific technologies inside, you have data warehouse, right? But here, this is not like that. AWS, so Snowflake can host an Azure, can host an AWS, can host an GCP. Actually, I say, why need to host actually? Okay, that's your doubt. I will explain you. I think today is not right time. Next class, I will explain you again what is the benefits, what is the background it is happening. The entire technical class, I will explain you. Okay, is it fine? Today is not right time. I have to go with the general queries. That's the reason. Okay, it's a story. I have to explain you much. So I'm choosing right now, but our we will host Snowflake account on one cloud provider. Why? What is the benefit? All I will explain you coming up class with clear details. Okay. So generally for your understanding to make you like comfort zone, I'm creating this account. I will get this verification because I created many times. Yeah. This all it will ask you. You no need to give answers. It's just a survey purpose only. You can skip all this. Done. Now I have to wait for the email notification. If I get email notification, I can sign up. Simple. My sign up process will be completed. Okay, I have to wait for some time. Meanwhile, Money or someone raised your hands, you can answer questions.
Yeah, for me, it's just like, is there any certifications we need to do, or no need of any certification for this one?
Who is based on India, they don't need any certification. Out of India, you can go with the certification.
So,
Certification also, we have only 2 years validation. After 2 years, if you do, when you complete it from that day to 2 years, it will be valid. After that, it will expire.
so what certifications we need to do? Like
SnowPro core
Snowflake itself.
certification. SnowPro core is important. If you want that, you can do. With the certification, there is no difference in your CTC or opportunities. I didn't see any differences.
Understood. Yeah. Thank you.
I will ask you to spend time on subject only. In place of certification, if you are good with subject, that is the best for students. My
Understood.
certification also expired actually. After that, I didn't touch.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Sai Sri.
Hi.
I'm experienced as a MSB and Power BI developer skill set, 5 plus SC experience. Is it useful for the Snowflake?
Your profile, can you explain about your profile again? Sorry.
MSB with Power BI,
Okay, Power
and I
BI.
restarted the career. So
Okay,
that's
reverse case actually, yours is reverse. People are coming from database to warehouse, right? You are coming from reverse case means data warehouse to reporting team. So already you know reporting, you are working on this. It will be add on to you. You can shift, no problem. Snowflake with the Power BI means you are Power BI only, right? That combination also you will get some benefit from your side. It's a benefit only.
okay. I know the Azure knowledge.
Cloud knowledge benefit all are will come as a benefit to you. Add on to your
Oh,
profile.
yeah, okay, fine. Sorry.
Mail ID is very important, guys. If you give wrong mail ID, you won't get activation link. Others, you can go with your questions. Again, I will create Snowflake account. Okay, it's not completed. I want to go deep level of. Give me some time. Okay, next class I will go deep level and I'll explain you.
So, hi, Sai Sri. So, as you mentioned, like Snowflake with DBT and ADF. So, if
Mm.
I kept only one cloud, is it possible to get a calls?
Snowflake with the DBT, you try, you'll get the calls. If you are not interested with ADF, at
Okay.
least the Snowflake with the DBT. Only Snowflake means already market. I mean, if you ask this question in 2023 means I will say yes. Okay, 22, 23, I can say yes.
Mhm.
Now market is increased, right? So
Yeah.
DBT at least you have to add.
No, actually, I have that Snowflake with ADF. So, again, I need to add with DBT, right?
DBT only will give more benefit than ADF.
Then ADF. So, only one cloud is enough. Snowflake with the
No,
DBT.
if you know already ADF, add that also.
Okay.
More benefit, na? All combinations you are covering.
Sure, sure.
In 2021, if you say what is Snowflake architecture, what are kind of tables and time travel, like this four concepts, I think so. They used to give offer to you generally because nobody have knowledge at that time. They're very very new for interviews also. So now we got lot of opportunities. Everyone got knowledge, right? That is the reason some advanced way we have to touch. 4 to 5 questions we used to face in 21, even 22 also. 23 onwards started, market started little bit more questions, more combinations like that. I got mail, I think so. Yeah, this mail I'm waiting. Like this, you'll get mail, guys. You have to activate. Who,
So,
if you, yeah, tell me.
admin purpose work with the Snowflake, how much topics you can cover for admin level with the Snowflake?
Ad, I am covering admin topics only for developer knowledge purpose, developer knowledge, developer position knowledge purpose. That's it. With my
Okay.
concepts, you cannot jump to admin jobs. And
Yeah,
I
yeah, like
will,
giving
uh,
privileges to the current.
right. Right. Because in India, we won't find much admin jobs. Who is
Mhm.
our client? Client
Okay.
side people only handling the admin part. I observed all those combinations, how that work is divided, how client is handling their projects. I observed every project, my client related own employees will be there, right? They pay their payrolls employees, mainly US people, mainly not Indian people. So those people are getting opportunity to work with the admin part. So we don't have much benefit and opportunities also.
But the
So what
privileged topics will be covered, right?
You should have that basic knowledge for developers. So privileges, users, roles, resource
Yeah.
monitor, how to create warehouse, how to create database. That I am covering. At least something we should be there, man. Normal knowledge at least, basic knowledge.
Okay.
See guys, I'm giving my username, my password, confirmed password. This username and password I'm using from past 3 to 4 years. So you no need to change every time username password. Same username password you can go completely to your career. In number of years you can use. Okay. So this is my Snowflake account. Today I just going with the overview only. Monday again, I mean coming up class again I will explain it. So I think someone asked me about worksheets now. Here you will see Python and SQL. We will go with the SQL only, not Python, because we are Snowflake developers. But this A and ML people, they will go with the Python. Okay, Python required libraries and installations. Like the so much work is there. Right now it is not supporting. I tried already all the changes. What Snowflake is giving, how it will be helpful. No, it's not comfort till installation. I mean, adding the libraries that all not easy. Still, it's need to improve a lot. So don't touch it and don't make yourself confusion. Trust me. My point is trust me and don't touch this Python. Not required for you.
I have one question.
Yeah, tell me.
The portal which you gave us, the portal link
Mm.
on YouTube, RajCloudTech /videos, I see many videos related to Snowflake. So can we go and also,
That all my classes only.
okay, it's a pre-recorded, okay.
Yeah, previous batch classes completely. I'm only the solo trainer is RajCloud Technology from day one. So all are my
Is it a
recordings only.
complete course, ma'am?
I'm not sure what they shared. I think sample records 5 to 10 they used to share for you. No, you'll have 35 to 40 records you should have.
Okay.
Ask them.
Hi Rupesh, may I know what exactly you are asking about, please?
I'm saying that is it a complete course bundle that is uploaded on YouTube, or it's a partial like captured of few
No,
classes
see,
and then
no, please, no, please. In the YouTube, we have just uploaded only first two classes. That's it, not more than that.
oh,
Okay.
okay.
So yeah, the complete course is available in our website. After the payment, you can get the recordings actually.
Got it. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, yes, yeah.
So guys, sample data I'm showing to you. Very easy to use interface. Interface also I'll explain you later on. Today is not right time. It is a dedicated class actually. Again, I'll create a code and again I will explain you from scratch. So like this, we will run the queries. Normal SQL only. No commit. You no need to do auto commit, revoke. That all not required. Snowflake itself will do all automatic process. That all I will explain you. Okay. Today is not right time for everyone. Okay. Yeah. You can come back to your questions. DBT you asked now. Already I am going with my current batch actually DBT. This is the DBT. Whatever you are seeing, macros I will cover, models I will cover, seeds, snapshots, test cases. This all are the development part only, transformation purpose. Everything I will cover. Okay. Just overview I am giving again here. This is also .SQL. Pure SQL we will use. See, if you want, I'll say pure SQL only.
So, Sai Sri,
Don't
can you
keep
give one example how to use DBT here? Can you give some small example?
here. If I go, if I run, I mean, how to use means this is the interface. We have to write the query here. We have to run the commands here. That's it.
How can we make interconnection between Snowflake and
That
DBT?
all. It's a very big setup actually.
Oh,
Configuration. That all. Yeah, it's not easy, but little
got
bit
it.
I'll show you. Okay, it's a big store. One day for account sign up only, I'll take one day.
It's better to give an agenda for like the what are the topics you're covering from the DBT
Uh,
and as well as Snowflake.
Snowflake, all the topics you can see in the website. I gave one rough figure previously, right, with a big with a speed. That all I'm going to cover. Okay, I will show you that also. See, these topics I'm going to cover in the no DBT. Macros for will work like a functions actually. Models for transformation purpose. Seeds for .csv file. Snapshot for SCD type 2. Test cases for testing the data. So this all I'm going to cover. Okay.
Okay.
You asked for Snowflake also, right? Let me give that flow. Just a minute. Mhm. To give flow. 1 minute. GUI can go right on. Yeah. This I'm going to not, I won't touch this one actually. They changed GUI, don't for a old GUI. The old GUI and this GUI both are different. They changed the interface, okay? So you have to go with the database here. If you are referring my old recording, GUI difference you will see. They changed it, okay? For example, the shared database. 1 minute, I'll show you the easy. I'll create one database, then I can show you. Easy for me. 1 minute. This is my own database. I'll go here. Yeah, here I can show you. See, I'm going to cover three types of tables: standard, permanent table, transient, temporary types of tables, external tables. That all I'm going to cover. Dynamic tables, views also, metallized views, secured views. Secured metallized views. Standard means no regular views also. Will say this all I'm going to cover. And stages: external stage, internal stage. External means cloud related. Internal stage means Snowflake related. File format. This all these people, A and ML people. Pipe I'm going to cover means no pipe. Streams, CDC concept means continuous data changes. So the data changes. That concept is the streams concept that I'm going to cover. Scheduling purpose task I'm going to cover. Functions, types of functions is there. Scalar and tabular. For logic we can reuse them many times. That is the purpose that I'm going to cover. Store procs using SQL I'm going to cover. This all I'm going to cover. Still I have to say so many. Row access policy, masking policy, like this extra topics also I'm going to cover. That I will try to show you 1 minute. If I touch a lot and lot is there to explain you. See here you can see some topics. Our topics and AI and ML people topics are mixed actually. So don't confuse yourself. Follow me. Okay? Like this functions concept, the masking policy, metallized reviews. Okay, this all I'm going to cover. Pipe creation, row access policy. Okay? Stages, stream concept, table creation, task creation, temporary table, create view. This is all. Roughly I showed you guys. Please follow the website, okay? Maybe I missed a few concepts also. Warehouse creation, database creation, schema creation, a resource monitor. This all I'm going to explain you. Okay? Clear or still doubt, confusion?
Yeah,
Hello?
okay. Okay, sir. Sorry, I'm dragging on mute.
Even this concept not noted here. Time travel, clone concept, cache concept. So many are there. The better refer doctor this only. Syllabus only better.
Uh, Internally done, or we'll be able to see how it is working?
I will show you practically.
Okay.
One concept if I'm the time travel is there. How many ways we can use, how to use, what is the syntax, when we can use, what is the benefit, that I'll show you.
No, like, is it visually visible in
Visually only.
the?
You can see lively, you can see that benefits. You
Okay.
can see, you can execute also. Everything you can practice. What I am doing, everything you can practice, you can do in your real time also. Completely. Time travel is for a data backup purpose that you can do. You can experience actually. You can also do yourself. Like that, I'll explain. Better, if you have confusion, better go to any one of my previous recording classes and you can check. You'll understand more how I'm going to do. Okay? That is also a benefit. Questions? And within one day, within 1 hour, I cannot explore much. I need one more class. I can explain you account creation more deep level. In that class also, I will give more answers to you. Whatever your general questions is there, randomly, that all I will answer. Okay, no worries. And my classes will be like always answering to your doubts, and then only I will close my session. No doubt in that. Randomly go to any recording of my class. You'll check at the end, in the middle also. I'll ask, I'll clear their doubts, and I'll move forward. So it's not one way training, two ways communication. That is the way how I will follow. Just blindly. I'm just going with my flow, and I won't leave the class. I will wait for your comfort zone. I will wait for your doubts. Once cleared, everyone is clear. Then only I will leave the session. Your only responsibility is learning. That's it. Remaining all I'll take care now. Okay. Okay, guys. Any questions, or I can hand over to Karthik? Everyone is clear? Someone mentioned I have 3.2 experience. Naresh, no problem. You have 3 years experience. How much can I give much package wise? I should check your package, current package. Okay. If I check current package, I can give package no, information also. What's your current package? That is also important. Okay. But 3 is the best time. You please change right now, technology wise. Your projects also, you'll get easy to handle the projects also. Don't take as a senior person, right? Junior level only. You can handle the projects. The experience also, 3.2 means I'll keep near to 2 years, overall 2 years, around 2.1 like that I'll keep. That is enough for you. You can completely go with that knowledge. I mean, that experience. Yeah, you can ask the questions, guys.
Yeah, hi. Ramana here.
Yeah.
Yeah, small clarification. So I have overall 8 years of experience as a Oracle DBA plus AWS admin.
Okay.
If I choose, so Snowflake, how it will helpful for my, career?
Okay, helpful means if you choose Snowflake, completely will showcase your experience as a Snowflake developer for 3 and of like that around 3 years. So your
Okay.
old knowledge will be helpful for SQL queries.
Yes, SQL, yeah.
That's it. I mean, completely. Opportunities wise, if any project migration project is there, Oracle combination, your profile will give first priority generally. That benefits
Okay.
will be there. But
Okay.
as a developer, you are more moving, right? Database
Yeah.
knowledge is there. You have the data warehouse means some preferences they will give. Again, here package is important, location is important. A lot of things will be surrounded again. But generally, so you're a technical person. You don't need to think much. Everyone who is technical, having technical background, you won't feel that much tough with Snowflake. Easy to handle.
Yeah.
Non-native, yeah, non-native
That,
people no need to worry. You have to, if they are practicing half an hour means few days for make your brain to comfort. The brain also have to tune, right? So for that comfort zone, you have to work. You have to practice 1 hour for few days. Once you feel comfort zone, you'll also will be like us only. Don't think I cannot pick up with this experienced people. You don't want to compare with anyone, guys, because experience are who don't have experience. Everyone is same for me. I will go with the scratch only because now this person know Oracle, but he don't know Snowflake, right? If I jump directly to advanced, how that persons will understand? So many people are there, Oracle background, for example. They're different technologies. They also like you only. Difference is they have genuine documents, they have some IT background. The differences you will see. Technical wise, knowledge wise, both are same. They may be good with SQL, you may not good with SQL. You have to make yourself good in the SQL by 2 months. 2 months course this is. So cannot pick yourself in 2 months. It's very easy to pick. That's a small bit hard work you will improve. That's it. Everyone is same. I will go from scratch level only. So Oracle, you are okay. Your profile is good. You don't need to worry.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Any profile can shift to. I also worked with big data. Na. I am not comfort with so many combinations they're asking every time. Then I choose the Snowflake. That day onwards, mental pressure is not there for me in job life. That assurance I can give. Job life will be smooth only. Your teammates will make you more smooth. If they are not correct person, we cannot do anything. See, everywhere we won't get the smooth road. There will be up and downs. That small work management you have to do. Technical wise, technology wise, you won't feel that much toughness. Package wise also, you will maintain on standards only. You don't need to worry. this is the best platform. Initially, if you want to change it to the cloud, this is the best platform. I can give assurance on that.
I see. If even product companies are using Snowflake, or is it only service-based?
Service now company is a product based or generally I'm asking service based company. Service now company.
Mostly service companies use this.
Service now technology. Service now
Oh,
company.
okay.
There's a product based company, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
There I worked actually as a Snowflake developer.
Okay, you
So
were working there. Okay.
I previously worked there. That is also, I mean, that company is one example in my career. A product based is working, I mean, using Snowflake. Service based company is also using Snowflake.
Okay.
One example I said where I experienced it.
Okay.
Simple. Nobody need to believe my words or my cloud. You no need to believe us. Okay, go to Naukri, LinkedIn, check it. Check there. You'll find lot of opportunities. If opportunities are there, means technology is demand in the market. That's a simple cross check you can do because nobody can stop you. There is your friends will be there, your colleagues, internet is there, LinkedIn is there, Naukri is there. So many platforms is there to cross check. Really, these people are saying this is the real demand technology or not. There is the proof I can show you. So check there and you can come back. How many days I will say yes, Snowflake is good. Few days only I can say right. This many batches we are running means yes, market is there. That is the reason.
One from previous batch joined companies.
Yeah, please. Recently, only in this month only, I wind up the one 14th batch actually. 15th started. So that batch 16th started actually. Okay, daily two batches, na. 14th batch already one person got offer with one interview only. I mean, he completed rounds. He is in Accenture. He got opportunity. Waiting for HR offer. I mean, offer letter. Sorry, interview is clear. HR offer is pending. Maybe he got an offer also, I think so. 1 week back, I know he completed second round and cleared also. So as background opportunities are getting, few people will update me, few people won't, right? So I cannot give much information on that. He updated me first round cleared. He updated me second round also. He updated me.
He got the info Sai Sri actually. Like today morning, I have given a call to him. So he
Okay.
said like HR given a call and confirmation has been done, and he will be receiving the offer letter by tomorrow.
Oh, okay then. That's good news. Great news. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe after getting offer, he will connect with me again. I think so. Yeah. Oh, so after getting offer, I can say about the package also. Let's we have to wait. You can check. He will drop the review also. He said he will drop the review. His name also I can say. Just a minute. Everything is genuinely we are going as no fake reviews, nothing. You can touch any name. Everyone is genuine. Harsha. Sorry, Harsha. His name is. You can check in the reviews. I hope he dropped the review also. Right, Karthik? Still he need to post.
Yeah, I asked him to like wait for his offer letter till tomorrow. Like once he got the offer letter, he'll be mentioning about his package details and everything, and he'll be posting Sai Sri Garu.
Okay then.
Yeah.
That's the
So
information,
hi
guys.
everyone, this is Karthik again. So if you still have any doubts, any technical doubts, please unmute yourself and you can ask. Or if you're unable to unmute, please drop the message in the chat also. We'll help you on that. And the people who haven't shared your name and WhatsApp number till, so please share here. Please share here so that like we'll be adding you to the WhatsApp group as well, and you'll get the today's session recording as well. Still any questions from anyone, please?
Okay, Karthik, hand over from here. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Yeah,
Thanks for
Sai Sri, I will
joining
take
in
over
the
from
class.
here. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, hi everyone. This is Karthik again. So as I said you, there is some special offer is available for you today. So I'm just like about to help you with that. So this is our course page here. You can see the complete content and you can download the course curriculum, everything from this page. Okay. So here you can see the download syllabus one. Just give your details and click on download now. You'll get the syllabus as well. Okay. So now the course price here is 14,999 is the course price. And the people who is going to enroll today, you are going to get the discount of 10%. Okay. After 10%, the course price is 13,499. So this will be your price actually. So this offer is valid only today. Only today. So if you are interested, if you are good with the content and everything, if you still have any doubts, you can connect us on this number 8105296858. Okay, so we'll help you for all your questions. No need to worry about that. Okay, so if you want to enroll today, you can pay to this account. I'm sharing the details as well here. Okay, so we use this UPI details. We accept all the payment modes. We accept UPI, bank transfer, net banking, credit cards, debit cards, everything we accept. No need to worry about that. So whatever the payment mode you're comfortable with, you can go ahead with that. And this is the UPI details. So you can make the payment here and you can share the screenshot to this number 8105296858. On this number, like you can share the screenshots as well so that like my team will complete your registration part. Okay. Yes. So we'll be going with a complete assistance to you, like resumes, interview questions, and where the opportunities are available right now, and how we can go for it, how to apply for them. No need to worry about all these things. We'll help you in each and every stage. Don't worry about that. If you haven't dropped your name and WhatsApp number yet, please drop your name and WhatsApp number in the Zoom chat. You'll get this session recording by tomorrow. Any questions from anyone?
The payment should be made today only, or can we make it like until tomorrow morning, or it's until the last of the session?
So like your voice is not clear. Can you please repeat?
Yeah, sorry. I'm saying you said that there is an off right of 10%. For that,
Correct. Yes.
should we do the payment right now, or can we do it until like the time is there until tomorrow morning or something?
Yeah, till tomorrow morning I can help you with that, not a problem. Okay, so but the offer is available only today. So just connect with my team on this number 8105296858. They'll assist you like how can you hold the offer today. So you can just go with some registration part today. You can complete your registration and like what are the remaining payment is there, you can complete it by tomorrow. Okay, so you can just connect us on this number. My team will help you for the further procedure and all. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, and drop your name and WhatsApp number here. If you haven't dropped yet, drop your name and WhatsApp number so that like we'll add you to the WhatsApp group as well.
Yeah, I have dropped then my name and WhatsApp number here.
Perfect. Yeah, yeah. Still any questions from anyone? And the people who have already like enrolled. So I hope like you're already going through with these Oracle SQL classes as well. And we have a few of you already started with the Snowflake also. If you have any questions also, you can connect us on this number so that like we can help you for all your doubts also. Not a problem.
Yes, sorry for one thing. You said
Yes, please.
ma'am said about Oracle the SQL classes, right? Like you are going to help, like
Yes.
so.
Yes.
How like is it going to run parallelly, or first we need to finish SQL, then we need to go to SQL?
See, the thing here is like we have a SQL recordings, we have 10 SQL recordings here. It is 15 hours of content. So we have included from the complete scratch, like what is data, how to create table. From there we have started and whatever the required concepts are there. So we have covered all these things actually. So these 15 hours content, you can complete it within 2 to 3 days. Not a big deal. Okay. So you can easily complete it within 2 to 3 days itself. You can complete the SQL classes and you can start with the Snowflake actually.
Understood.
Don't worry, we'll give you the time as well. You see, the first 2 weeks, why we will be having this alternative days and all is for this reason only. Okay, the people who don't have this SQL knowledge, they can give the time to this Oracle SQL, and the people who already have the knowledge on this Oracle SQL, you can go through the previous batch first 10 classes recordings as well, which makes you more easy to understand when the live class is going on.
Got it. Sure. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yes. Yeah, I hope like you have done with all your questions, right? If you still have any questions, please ask me, Rupesh. Rupesh, you can download the course curriculum from here. We are covering the complete Snowflake content here. Okay. If you just go to the Snowflake part here, you can see. So we are starting with architecture. So connecting to Snowflake roles and users. Okay. So virtual warehousing concepts, each and every topic. See, you can see here. You can download this course curriculum. Okay. I'll just show you like how you can do it. I'm sharing the link with you first of all. So use this link to download the course curriculum. So you'll redirect it to this page. Here you can just click on download syllabus. It will ask you your basic information. 1 second. You can just click on download syllabus. Once you click on this, it will ask you for the basic information like your name, WhatsApp number, and your email ID. Okay, you can just like submit your details here, and you can just click on inquire now, so that like you will redirect it to the course curriculum. Okay, so you can download the course curriculum as well from here. And if you want, I can drop in the chat as well. Just give me a second. Okay, so this is the course curriculum. Okay. Yeah, these are the things that we'll be covering here, including the Snowflake. We are also going to cover this DBT and ADF as well. Okay, you can see the DBT topics like what we'll be covering in the DBT as well. These and all the DBT topics. ADF and AWS also we are going to cover. And by the end of the course, like what you'll be able to do, everything we have mentioned it very clearly here. Okay, so you can go through. Done. Thank you all. Thanks for joining the session today. Have a great day. Thank you.